Yeah! Yeah! Woo! I wish he was smart and there's nothing to do about it. Huh? You want the plumber to be smart? Yeah. Well, you just need to teach him math, social science, and all that stuff. But math isn't real. But you want him to be smart? Yeah. Oh, what? You have to teach him. Bye. You're gonna be teach. Okay, let's just do math to get it over with. We are gonna do English. Okay, so plumber. What? Plumber? What is 3 times 9? Love. How? How is it love? It's 27. Because X equals hug and 9 has a little hole and O stands for a kiss and 3 sideways is a smile because they kiss and hug and yay, I'm a plumber. So, it's love. Okay, here's a good one. What is 0 times 8? Ninja. Surprise ninja. How? Because if you put it sideways, it looks like a backwards ninja. Yay! Okay. Okay. You suck at multiplication. Let's go on to fractions. Oh, this is a good one. Do you know what this one is? Helmet scared. How? Because my helmet is yellow. Yay! And yellow and white. I mean, their body parts. It equals scared. So yay! We are done with math. We are done. We are done with math. Instead, we are gonna read a book. Do you know what the Little Red Hen is? Please, I can win 1,000,000 bucks if you become smart. But do you know what the Little Red Hen is? What are you doing? Jansen, with my mouth open. Okay. Do you know what this word says? I. He's gonna say I am a plumber. Do you know what this word says? Am. A plumber. Of course. Hey, wait! Yeah! What are you doing? Calm down, Elmo. Calm down. Hey, you want to learn about colors? I love colors. My favorite color is an egg. Yeah, I'm a plumber. Yeah. Okay. Do you know what this color is? Not a color. How is it not a color? Right, it's not a color. Then why does it says 96 crown colors? It's a nuclear color. Okay, let's give her an easy one. Do you know what this color is? Pine! The color is a pine! I feel my tongue. Okay, and everything. We're not doing coloring. Ugh. We're gonna learn science. Okay, this is gonna be easy. What planet do we live on? Jupiter. Yay! I know the Jupiter national anthem. Oh, beautiful was the sky. That's America. Can you tell me how to get? That's Sesame Street. I'm a plumber. Let's learn social studies. Yay! Let's learn. Okay. Do you know what Canada did? I'm a plumber. I am done. No, the plumber is not gonna get smart. The plumber is not gonna get smart. It's just a stupid. He's not gonna get smart. And I want to win $1,000,000. How did it go? I'm gonna kill you. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I just get mad. You okay? Well, look, there's a. What are you eating? Pizza. Pizza? You're eating pizza. Rotten mold pizza. But still, I'm not gonna win $1,000,000. You won $1,000,000? Yes! What are you doing? I'm bugging you. Stop! I'm a plumber. Hey guys! I am so happy. I'm just so happy we got 100. It seemed like 100 videos, and it seemed like just yesterday we just had 80 videos. And we couldn't have done it without you guys. You subscribers. You are awesome. See you in the next video. Peace out. I'm a plumber.